Hello class, I'm here in the office today recording a video for you for the next upcoming weeks. We're going to be looking at chapters 9 and 10 in the next 2 weeks. We will not be looking at chapter 11. That was one of the adjustments that was made because we had to postpone the second test till last week. So I have placed on Blackboard tasks by week, so you will now it'll be easier. You'll just have to click on the week and you'll see what you have to do for that week. It's no different than the task by chapter that you've been accomplishing up to now. You have to read the chapter, look at the PowerPoint. I have included videos for each of the chapters just to help with the audio visual, and I will run another team meetings on photosynthesis, on respiration on Monday, April 6th, and then I'll run an overall review before your last exam, which will be at the end of the course, probably at the end of April, once the exam schedule comes out. If it comes out and we have to adhere to particular times, then that's when it'll be. Please use the Q&A session on Blackboard. I check it regularly and I try to answer questions there. Some of you email me, but I check by course, so it's probably quicker if you go in there. I don't mind that you email me, that's fine too. You can also go to the team meeting sites that I've created for the class and toss some questions there, start some discussion there. The discussions that I've started for thermodynamics last week that all of you participated in are kind of checkpoints just to see if you can answer some questions. I would really practice answering those questions at the end of the chapters. I would really take the task by chapters seriously. That's a good way to prepare for the test. The third test will be an all writing test. I'll talk a little bit more about that later. But for now, what is important is that you keep learning according to the chapters, that if you have anything in the past that you don't understand very well, that you review that now that you have the time and that you ask me about it, so that you can get all that knowledge covered before you sit for that last exam. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in class.